As the body's natural filtration system, our kidneys play a vital role in maintaining overall well-being. These bean-shaped organs work tirelessly to remove waste, toxins, and excess water from the bloodstream, regulating blood pressure and producing essential hormones. Neglecting kidney health can lead to a host of complications, including fluid retention, high blood pressure, and even kidney failure. Maintaining optimal kidney function is crucial for a healthy life. However, in our fast-paced world, we often overlook the importance of supporting these hard-working organs. Exposure to environmental pollutants, processed foods, and a sedentary lifestyle can all contribute to the buildup of toxins and strain on the kidneys. By understanding the significance of kidney health and taking proactive steps to support these vital organs, we can promote overall well-being and prevent potential health issues down the line. The role of detox and cleansing in kidney health. Detoxification and cleansing are essential processes that aid in the removal of harmful substances from the body. While our kidneys are designed to filter waste, they can become overwhelmed by the accumulation of toxins over time. This is where the concept of a detox and cleanse comes into play. A well-designed detox and cleanse program can help alleviate the burden on the kidneys by supporting the body's natural elimination processes. By incorporating specific foods, herbs, and supplements, we can facilitate the removal of toxins, reduce inflammation, and promote overall kidney function. Engaging in regular detox and cleansing practices can not only support kidney health but also enhance overall vitality and well-being. It's a proactive approach to maintaining a balanced and healthy body. Common signs of kidney problems. While our kidneys often work silently in the background, there are certain signs and symptoms that may indicate potential issues. Being aware of these signals can prompt us to take action and seek medical attention if necessary. Some common signs of kidney problems include frequent urination or difficulty urinating, swollen ankles, feet, or hands, edema, fatigue and general weakness, nausea and vomiting, persistent itching or rashes, foamy or discolored urine, muscle cramps or twitches. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be indicative of other health conditions, so consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial for accurate diagnosis and treatment. The benefits of a 1-cup detox and cleanse for kidney health. Introducing a simple and effective 1-cup detox and cleanse can provide numerous benefits for kidney health. This convenient and accessible approach offers a gentle yet powerful way to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Here are some key advantages of incorporating a 1-cup detox and cleanse into your routine. Promotes kidney cleansing. The carefully selected ingredients in a 1-cup detox and cleanse can help flush out toxins and waste products that may have accumulated in the kidneys, reducing the strain on these vital organs. Boosts hydration. Many detox and cleanse recipes include hydrating ingredients that support proper kidney function by promoting adequate fluid intake and improving overall hydration levels. Reduces inflammation. Certain components found in detox and cleanse beverages possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate inflammation in the kidneys and surrounding areas. Supports nutrient absorption. By aiding in the removal of toxins and waste, a 1-cup detox and cleanse can enhance the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients, contributing to overall kidney health and function. Convenient and accessible. The simplicity of a 1-cup detox and cleanse makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine, ensuring consistent support for your kidneys without disrupting your lifestyle. By embracing this gentle yet powerful approach, you can take proactive steps towards maintaining optimal kidney health and overall well-being. Understanding the ingredients in a 1-cup detox and cleanse. A well-crafted 1-cup detox and cleanse typically combines a variety of natural ingredients, each offering its own unique benefits for kidney health. Here's a closer look at some commonly used components. Lemon juice. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon juice helps flush out toxins and supports the body's natural detoxification processes. Apple cider vinegar. This fermented liquid contains acetic acid, which can help regulate pH levels and promote a healthy digestive system, indirectly supporting kidney function. Cranberry juice. Packed with powerful antioxidants and compounds that can help prevent bacterial infections, cranberry juice is often included to promote urinary tract health. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and support overall kidney function. Turmeric. This vibrant spice is rich in curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that can benefit kidney health. Herbs and spices. Various herbs and spices, such as parsley, cilantro, and cinnamon, may be incorporated for their detoxifying and cleansing properties. By understanding the unique benefits of these ingredients, you can tailor your 1-cup detox and cleanse to meet your specific needs and support optimal kidney function. How to prepare and consume a 1-cup detox and cleanse. Preparing and consuming a 1-cup detox and cleanse is a simple and straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Gather your ingredients. Assemble the necessary ingredients for your chosen recipe. Common components may include lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, cranberry juice, ginger, turmeric, and any additional herbs or spices you prefer. Mix and combine. In a glass or jar, combine the desired quantities of each ingredient, following the recipe's instructions. You can adjust the proportions to suit your personal taste preferences. Add water. Depending on the recipe, you may need to add warm or room temperature water to dilute the mixture and create a drinkable consistency. Stir or shake. Give the mixture a good stir or shake to ensure all ingredients are well combined and evenly distributed. Consume mindfully. Take your time and sip the detox and cleanse beverage slowly, allowing your body to absorb the beneficial compounds. Many find it helpful to consume the drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach or before meals. Hydrate throughout the day. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to support the detoxification process and promote optimal kidney function. It's important to note that while a 1-cup detox and cleanse can be a valuable addition to your routine, it should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new detox or cleansing regimen. Tips for maximizing the effectiveness of a 1-cup detox and cleanse. While incorporating a 1-cup detox and cleanse into your routine can be beneficial, there are several tips to consider to maximize its effectiveness and support overall kidney health. Consistency is key. For optimal results, aim to consume your 1-cup detox and cleanse consistently, ideally daily or at least several times per week. Pair with a balanced diet. While the detox and cleanse can help flush out toxins, it's important to pair it with a balanced and nutrient-rich diet to support overall health and kidney function. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for supporting the detoxification process and promoting proper kidney function. Incorporate exercise. Regular physical activity can help improve circulation and support the body's natural detoxification processes, complementing the benefits of your 1-cup detox and cleanse. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on overall health, including kidney function. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to support a balanced mind and body. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to the detox and cleanse regimen, and adjust as needed. Everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. By following these tips and making a consistent effort to support your kidney health, you can maximize the benefits of a 1-cup detox and cleanse and promote overall well-being. Other natural remedies for kidney health. While a 1-cup detox and cleanse can be a valuable addition to your kidney health routine, there are several other natural remedies that can complement and support optimal kidney function. Dandelion root. This herb has been traditionally used to support kidney and liver health due to its diuretic properties, which can help flush out toxins and excess fluids. Stinging nettle. Rich in nutrients and compounds that can help reduce inflammation, stinging nettle may support kidney function and alleviate symptoms associated with kidney problems. Buku leaf. Derived from a plant native to South Africa, buku leaf has been used traditionally to promote urinary tract health and support kidney function. Juniper berry. These berries have diuretic properties and may help support kidney function by promoting the elimination of excess fluids and toxins. Hydration and water intake. Staying well hydrated is crucial for kidney health, as it helps the kidneys efficiently filter waste and toxins from the body. Dietary modifications. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can support overall kidney health and function. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional or qualified herbalist before incorporating any new natural remedies or supplements into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Lifestyle changes to support kidney health. In addition to incorporating a 1-cup detox and cleanse and exploring other natural remedies, making lifestyle changes can significantly impact kidney health and overall well-being. Here are some key areas to focus on. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity, such as brisk walking, swimming, or yoga, can help improve circulation, reduce stress, and support overall kidney function. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can contribute to inflammation and strain on the kidneys. Incorporate stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking and excessive alcohol intake can have detrimental effects on kidney health, increasing the risk of kidney disease and other complications. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for supporting kidney function and promoting proper fluid balance in the body. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight can put additional strain on the kidneys and increase the risk of developing kidney-related issues. Get regular checkups. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help monitor kidney function and catch any potential issues early on, allowing for prompt intervention and treatment. By adopting a holistic approach that combines a one-cup detox and cleanse, natural remedies, and positive lifestyle changes, you can take proactive steps towards maintaining optimal kidney health and promoting overall well-being. Conclusion. Our kidneys are true unsung heroes, working tirelessly to filter waste and toxins from our bodies. By prioritizing kidney health through a simple yet effective one-cup detox and cleanse, we can support these vital organs and promote overall well-being. Incorporating a one-cup detox and cleanse into your routine offers numerous benefits, including promoting kidney cleansing, boosting hydration, reducing inflammation, supporting nutrient absorption, and providing a convenient and accessible approach to detoxification. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to maximizing the effectiveness of a one-cup detox and cleanse. Pair it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management techniques, and other natural remedies for a comprehensive approach to supporting kidney health. By taking proactive steps to care for our kidneys, we can ensure these hard-working organs continue to function optimally, allowing us to live vibrant, healthy lives. Embrace the power of a one-cup detox and cleanse, and let your kidneys thrive. If you're ready to prioritize your kidney health and experience the benefits of a gentle yet powerful detox and cleanse, visit our website today. We offer a range of carefully crafted one-cup detox and cleanse recipes, along with personalized guidance and support to help you on your journey towards optimal well-being. Don't let your kidneys give up. Take action now and give them the love and care they deserve.